We drop down, shoulder rolls forward. 1, jump back, 2. We rock. 3 and 4. Your arms are staying low to the waist, and like you have a towel just behind you, and you rock and rock. Rock and rock. Rock and rock. Good. Going back. 6, 7, 8, stepping. 1, 2, rock. 3, 4, we step. 5, hit. 6, our left foot is just on the heel because we want to bring it right back again, and drop down. 7, looking over, up. 8. Let's try it with music. Okay, we're going to take it from the top with music. Remember, just have fun with it, hit everything as hard as you can, and just have a good time.
This is my time. You come destroy me.